Hey guys, it's Tozyro here, and I recently purchased the KIRKLAND Signature 5% Minoxidil, and I bought it for £20.68. £20.68 is the amount that I bought it for. I already did a video which I tried the Copenhagen grooming kit, so if you guys do want to see that, I'll link that below. But now it's time to try the Minoxidil. Essentially, I have done a decent level of research, but I still need to go a little bit deeper into it. And once I've done the extra research, I do plan on putting a video up explaining to you guys how to apply it properly, etc. And the other thing which I'm planning on doing is, of course, after 3 months of progress, I do plan on going ahead and making a video about the progress that I've made. So if you guys do want to see that, please subscribe. And at the same time, you also be helping me reach 15,000 subscribers. So, you know, it's really quick, but it means a lot. And if you guys do want to check me out on Instagram too and help me get to 4,000 followers there, that'll be extremely helpful. That means a lot to me. So here I've got with me the box of the KIRKLAND Signature, of the KIRKLAND Signature Minoxidil. I'm just going to refer to it to Minoxidil from now on. So for this video, what we're going to do is we're essentially just going to open this and see what's inside, see how it looks like. You know, as I said, I did get the 3-month supply for this one, so I do expect to see, I believe, like 3 bottles. I'm not 100% sure, but let's go ahead and open this up, right? Okay, sorry. Ooh, careful not to hit the desk there. Okay, so straight away, I can see some syringes there. Syringes, is that what these are called? So see, there's one of these here. There's 2 of these here. There's 3. So perfect for 3 months, you know, obviously ideal. These seem to be like plastic ones, and of course with this is what you can apply it straight to the beard. Once again, I'm personally using it for the beard, but you might be using it for your hair, for your eyebrows, you know, whatever. There's many different ways of using this. But so I got those 3 here. So, you know, opening up the package a little bit further, you can start seeing some, obviously the Minoxidil itself here. So it's coated in bubble wrap, which, you know, it is a great sign because, you know, it means that they're taking care of the product. So this is what's here. You know, there's some bubble wrapping in there. So there's 1 here. There should be 2 more, of course. So there's another one here. And finally, there is the last one here. So that makes it 3. Hold on a second. I've got to do this. It would be rude not to do this. So this is how it looks like. I'm hoping it will zoom in, focus. There. So obviously this is the KIRKLAND Signature Minoxidil right here, and there is actually something else in there too, which I do want to show you guys. Within the Minoxidil, that comes with a little note here. This note is saying, "Dear customer, thank you for your purchase. Please contact us if you have any problems with your order. Our aim is complete customer satisfaction, and really appreciate providing us some feedback." So essentially, this is just a note saying thank you for buying, I guess. But there is something else in here, which I do want to see what this is. So there's 2 pieces of paper, right? So obviously, first thing that you see here is obviously the important information about the Minoxidil. So in this piece of paper here, I believe it just gives you a manual, you know, instructions, and it tells you exactly how to do this. You know, if you're using it for your hair, there's the particular areas which you need to apply it on. So, you know, if you're not a big fan of going through the internet and searching through it there, it will just come in this little manual here, I do believe, from the looks of things. So yeah, this comes included. And the other piece of paper here, which I do want to see is, oh no, this is just the shipping stuff. Don't worry about this. So yeah, altogether we have the 3 Minoxidils here, and obviously the 3 syringes here as well. I believe, obviously, it's 1 per bottle or whatever it's called. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, do stay tuned because I will be making more videos to do with Minoxidil. And if you guys do want to see the progress on the next video, since you made it this far into the video, I'll go ahead and I'll show you right now how my facial hair looks like, so you can get a you know, just a little bit of a feeling as to how it's looking like right now. But I'll explain this further on my other videos. So yeah, as you can see here, not much. Big patch here as well that I want to fix up. So, you know, there's a lot that I want to get fixed up. And, you know, I am 18, so there's that little bit of concern, obviously, that always goes in there. But as far as I know, it should be fine. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.